this is the Ultimaker S3. It's the baby brother to the Ultimaker S5 and an upgrade to the Ultimaker 3. So we've kept some of the features that make it a great printer on the 3 and upgraded them to give us more functionality. So we've still got dual print head, we've still got our print core technology. We've taken the active leveling that was 3 points on the Ultimaker 3 and we've upped it up to be 41 points across the build plate. We've got the connectivity that we've kept, so we've got Cura Connect still built in, and we've got 2 hardened steel feeders at the rear. That allows us to use abrasive materials and make full use of the Ultimaker Material Alliance. We've changed the click wheel to be a touchscreen, and then the glass door on the front keeps everybody safe during operation. It's the Ultimaker S3. It's a great printer for industry and education and everybody in between. Smaller footprint for more room on your desk. What else is there to say?
If you're considering adopting additive manufacturing into your business or want to find out more, visit www.3dgbire.com.